Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. If you guys are not in the Discord, join the Discord, and if you want to take the trading course here, you can take the trading course. The link is in the description of this video. And now, what's up with Solana, guys? Now, this line that you're still respecting with Solana, and let me actually dive into the daily here. Now, the daily has filtered out a lot of noise, okay? You can still make the fact that now you're losing this trend line because previously okay, one time you actually closed below the trend line and the next day you went to the upside, but this time you're really closing below that trend line. So is this the time to finally get this price target $69, which is the technical target out of a head and shoulder? Because I talked about this before, that when technical targets do not meet, then there's something that is really shady going on, okay? And the technical targets come from this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and there was your neckline that was broken. So all you did during this time is you broke the neckline and you went back up to the neckline to make a fake out and take people just to drop them all the way down to the $69. That's the only answer that I have to this one. Now there is a potential bear flag that is playing out for Solana, and it is playing out for Bitcoin, and so far you're breaking out of the bear flag, and I'm going to show you this bear flag right there from here to here. And now what you did is you take the top to the bottom, and if you're breaking out, which you are breaking out, you're actually looking to go down to the $74. Okay, so the question remains, are you going to stop at the $74 and then potentially go back up to this level 82, or are you going to continue to dump to the 69 and then you actually make a reaction to the upside? That's a big question mark. But at least for now, let's say this is a technical journey that is going on due to that bear flag, and that's going to be $74, right? So that's it for this quick update on Solana. Once again, if you're interested in the course and how I'm reading the charts for you for a long time now, you can take the course. The link is in the description of this video, and we're discounted until 19th of March, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.